Hello everybody, and welcome to another Tuffy Products training video. After watching our last training video on serialization, we decided to go back and explain the PostScript custom page size. That way everybody kind of understands how many tags you want to go wide on your banner and how many tags you want to go height-wise on your banner as well. So just to give you an idea, our banner on the printer that we're using is 52.2 inches wide. But as you can see, the 50 tags that we printed, it doesn't go the whole 52 inches across. That's because the print head isn't going to print across the entire surface. Also, you want to leave yourself room on the sides of the banner for when you laminate. That way everything comes off even. You don't have to worry about keeping the laminate exactly on the banner. So it just gives you a little more room to play with. So if your banner is 30 inches wide, you may be able to only print 28 tags across or 28 inches across your 30-inch wide banner. So it kind of depends on your printer, right? Okay, so going into it in a little bit more detail, to do 50 tags, we're going to go into it. When we go to print, we're going to go into the gear, so the print settings, go to advanced. The paper size, you're going to do the PostScript custom page size, just like we did before. And now you can see your parameters. So you've got your width and your height. That's what it's asking you. How wide across the banner are you going to print, and how high are you going to print? Our tags, as you can see right here, are 4 inches wide, and they're 1.9 inches height-wise. So what do we do, right? So we know we're gonna use 49 inches of our banner. Okay, now how many tags can we print at 4 inches wide across 49 inches of the banner? So you take 49 and you divide it by how wide the tag is, and that's going to give you 12.25. So just round it down to 12. You're going to go 12 tags across. Okay, so that's how many tags you're going to go across. All right, and now we got to figure out how many tags we're going to go height-wise to get to 50. So if you take 50 tags and you divide that by 12 across, that's going to give you 4.1666, and you're going to want to round up to 5. So you want to go down 5 tag spaces. So now when we go into the custom page size dimensions, on our height, since we did 12.25, or this is going to be on our width. Right, so we're going to go 12 across. So if you go 12 by 4 inches wide, that's going to be 48. We add 0.03 to it just to give them a little bit room in between each other, so it makes it a little bit easier when you cut. So on your width, to get 12 tags, you're going to go 48.03 inches. So you can see Selena entering in 48.03 inches for the width that we're going to print across. And as far as the height, we know that our tags are 1.9 inches high, so we're going to multiply 5 rows by 1.9, and that's going to give us 9.5. And so we're going to put 9.5 in. And remember when I talked about that 0.03? That's why you've got 48.03 and 9.53, because 9.5 plus 0.03 is 9.53. All right, so now we're good to go. So click OK. All right, and then we're going to go to the print preview, and it's going to show us our surface area that we just gave it on the PostScript custom page size. So basically what you're looking at right there is 48.03 width, and your height is 9.53. That allows us to go 12 tags across, and it allows us to go 5 rows high. And that's it. Now, when you go to your print preview, you can see all your tags spread across evenly there. And then when you go to print from there, file, print this sheet now, it's going to send it to the VersaWorks software. From Corel Draw to VersaWorks, and here comes our tags. Boom, there you go. Double click, go into your settings here, center the media, get media width, and you're ready to print. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video, and email us here at tuffycells.com with any questions. Thank you.